everyone. Samantha here. I pray all is well with you. Gotta remember to look up here. In this video, I want to try out, well, not try out, I want to use my creator sticker by Xyron. This is a sticker making machine. It has like this film inside that has adhesive, and it makes the back of whatever you insert into a sticker. I've had this for almost 7 to 8 years, maybe 7 to 8. Let's see, maybe around six. So I just I'm going to be making a collage journaling page with some magazine pieces that I cut out. So I just want to see if this is still working, because that sticker, that film has been in there for all these years rather. And I think it will be better than using the glue stick. I mean, if it doesn't work, then I'll use the glue stick, but I want to see if this works. So it has a little opening, so let me just see. And I believe this is still on the market. And you just put it like this, right? So I'm going to, oh, you see, it's really old. It's so old that I don't even know. Oh, there it goes. Wow. So I want to, one of the things I could say I remember when I first started using this years ago, I just felt like it was a lot of paper waste. Let's see. That's what I didn't want to happen. No. Okay, so you do have to be careful. I'm going to have to wait till it comes out on the other side to make sure. You see that? Oh, okay, that is adhered down. So this part is not, that's okay, because I'm cutting this off anyway. So it's alright. That really was getting cut off. So let me go ahead and put, now we have this like frame, right? Let me see if I could put another piece inside. Save paper, because all that film will go to waste. Let me see if it works. I'm just gonna see if it works. Oh boy. Wait a minute. I don't know. Let me see. I'm just gonna try it. Yep, it works. You see, this is what I didn't like about it. Look at all of that. Like, how do you determine, like, it's, okay. I think I see a way. Yeah, see? Look all of that. No. There has to be a better way than wasting all of that. Okay, let me put these. But it's working. After all these years, it's still good. Let's see. Okay. I don't know about putting these little pieces on. I think these little pieces I will just go ahead and glue down. Okay. I do have one more thing I want to try. And that I will show me adhering it down. This I'm not going to show it just yet because I need to be up to doing it, the journaling page. But I do have something that I'm willing to, oh, I don't want to lose this. To put down in my journaling book. Excuse me. I am pretty tired. I just get to hear it in my voice. And this is some pattern paper that I made. And so I'm going to put a piece through this Xyron and stick it down, a couple of pieces, stick it down in my journal here. Just so you can see how it works. So let me get this out the way. Late. Oh, good. Alright, so here are the two pieces. I think I said that this is some pattern paper that I made. So that's one piece. And this pattern paper could go up to a size 12 by 12. The way that I made it, and it's a repeating pattern. It's a little thick, so. Because it's time for me to turn in. So I'm going to put that over there. And I'm going to run it through the Xyron right now. Not these two, so I'm going to use these as to make pockets. But this one and this one. Let's see. Alright, and so, and then you just rip it off. You see that? Now, let's put this to the side. Bring this over here. And we're going to see how this is going to work. This is some, okay. So let me see, where do I want to put this? I want to do this right there. Maybe here. I can do something. This will work. So here we go. So I'm going to see how, if this can be too long. No, it's not. Okay. Oh. Looking good. Nice and wow, nice adhesive. Yeah, that's really good. That's really good. That's really good. That means that machine is awesome. Look at that. Oh my goodness. That's good. That's good. And this, I'm going to take, I'm going to put this one back here. I'm going to do something with this page with that there. Oh my goodness, y'all. I really like this. Okay, yeah. This is good. So, I mean, it's not something I would use all the time, but I use sticker paper when I'm printing. But if it's something that's already out, it's not like, say like if it's something that's not like, how can I say, like something I'm printing, but maybe it's something that I cut out of a magazine, and I want to, you know, make it into a sticker, that would be a good use. Alright, so, let me show the whole strip, but we see how it adheres down to the paper. You can tell I'm tired. That's my voice. Oh my god, y'all. Okay, that's going to be it once I show this strip here. I just really wanted to do this video. So, you see that? That is down very well. Very good. So when I get ready to do the page, all I have to do is just pull it up. It's like I said, this part is going to be cut off, and so I will just have to put just a little bit here, and something is going to go on top of that. And nice. It's nothing lifting, nowhere, no corner, absolutely, completely adhered down to this, and it can be removed to be used as a sticker. So that's it. Again, this is Create a Sticker by Xyron. I forgot how much I paid for it, so I'm just gonna go ahead and leave a link in the description section. I'm gonna go online and search for it. So that's it. So with that being said, I want to say thanks for watching. God bless you, and remember, Jesus loves you. Later.